Good morning. Today we are doing a quick steering wheel repair because that likes to happen. Oh, this could end in tears. There we go. There we go. Pretty awesome. Hey. Oh. Over the steering wheel. The part to which the strings are attached should be at the bottom. Probably. This one was only, I think it was about £7 off eBay. Ooh. The short string anti-clockwise, i.e. from the outside to the inside through hole through hole A, and from the inside to the outside through the rear hole. What? Outside to the inside, anti-clockwise, right? Through the end hole, yeah. Wrap the long string tightly and steadily in a clockwise direction around the steering wheel. I'm guessing you can go around twice for this. I will be. I don't know about threading it through holes, that's stupid because it just rips. Through that. Oh. Done. Solid steering wheel again. Exo lento.